I'd like to talk the aortic stenosis causes. You'll have a lectures, my dear, all the lectures together. You can see in one of them. But aortic stenosis causes are once again it's outside raining. Dr. Zara, in which part of the UK? It's raining outside.
Sir, I'm in East London. Yes, it's raining outside.
All right. I don't like this raining, cold.
It is. It
Anyway,
is. It's horrible today.
yeah. So A for once again, write down age related degenerative calcification. Age related degenerative calcification. A for age, basically, we are talking about. And B for bicuspid aortic valve. We know the tricuspid valve. The aortic valve has a triple cusp, triple leaflets, but the bicuspid aortic with the congenital phenomena, so bicuspid aortic valve. My message is not just to give the idea of the ABCDs, the mnemonics, and the causes. No idea. I have a message here as well. So age-related degenerative calcifications more than 65 years, more equal, and bicuspid aortic valve less than 65 years. The scenario starts the 48-year-old gentleman presented with angina on exertion. You examine the patient, you found the ejection systolic murmur, soft head. You diagnosed a case of aortic stenosis, which is severe, confirmed on the echo. Now, what is the most likely underlying etiology you can think these young gentlemen will have? What is the answer? Bicuspid aortic valve. See? Because only just look at the age and get the diagnosis in your hands. See how you expert? So here's the C for congenital. Congenital causes. What congenital causes? Look at the heart. So this is the aorta. This is the aortic valve. So congenital causes divided into the three parts. Supravalvular. Valvular level means the above the valve something problem at the valvular level and subvalvular level. Something is there making the aortic stenosis. Aorta become narrowed down. Got it? Got the message? So supravalvular, one of the congenital cause that we need to learn, that is the Williams syndrome, my dear. So I'll have lectures the features of Williams syndrome. I made W for like this. So this is the Elfin phases. So one of the phase, typical phase for the Williams syndrome that you get, my dear. So this is the supravalvular, and valvular means some valvular membrane, extra membrane will be there, making the aortic valve to be stenosis, and subvalvular also some congenital causes are there. But very close, sometimes this subvalvular is a DD. This is not the cause. Oh, come, my dear. Sometimes the subvalvular congenital aortic stenosis very close to the Hockham, my dear. Clinically, sometimes confusing the hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. We'll have a lectures, my dear. So today we are having the third class. We have the fourth class as well, right, Dr. Susanna?
Yes.
And last is an S for streptococcal causes. Streptocauses are rheumatic fever. We know the rheumatic fever is a streptococcal evidences. Rheumatic fever, rheumatic valvular heart disease. So rheumatic fever, remember, rheumatic valvular heart disease. And another streptococcal is the infective endocarditis. So infective endocarditis also can cause the aortic valve damage. Yes. But these are the most important causes that you need to learn. But I'm not delivering the lectures for the ABCs and this and that. My message is that only the questions, all right. Or sometimes the questions will hitting 70 years old gentleman presented with the syncope on the last week on walking fast on uphills. You examined the patient, you found the low volume pulse, ejection systolic murmur, and found the heart failure features as well. You made the diagnosis, severe aortic stenosis, confirmed on echo. Now, what is the underlying etiology of this elderly man that you are thinking? What is the answer? Age-related degenerative calcifications. Means whenever we are aging process is going on, listen very carefully. Aging process is nothing but calcification, means the calcium will be deposited in every arterial phases in our body. It's a normal phenomenon. But not every, means 100, say for example, 100 of the 65 people has been studied. And we found this 5 to 10% people having the severe forms of the calcifications. Got it, my dear? So definitely something is wrong. Out of the 100 people, the 5 people will have that causing this calcification or calcified aortic valve, damaging the aortic valve, causing the stenosis. So that's why this age-related degenerative calcification, rather than an age, is a disease. It's a disease. Because why the other 95% of the people doesn't have or don't have this age-related degenerative calcification. So that's why this becomes a disease now. The age-related degenerative calcification is nothing but the calcification or calcified degenerative changes in the aortic valve leads to the aortic stenosis. And bicuspid aortic valve is very common. We'll do study in our notes. We'll see